I'm Professor Dr. Vivek Gupta, cardiologist, Delhi Apollo Hospital, and I'm standing on the booth of biosensors, so you can see, and they have something new idea without showing your face, so you can tell what is new in the biofreedom.
We have a new platform which has come up
Ultra.
in Indian market called Biofreedom Ultra.
Uh-huh.
It has the same benefits of the drug-coated stand, which is non-polymer and non-carrier. So the advantage is that it has shortened the DAPT. So within 1 month, you can discontinue clopidogrel forever.
This is very important actually. You say that we can stop clopidogrel, dual antiplatelet after 1 month only.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
But are you sure this is safe? Because then many patients will have a stent thrombosis or...
The beauty of the stent is that the drug gets released from the stent platform within 28 days, and the same drug gets housed into the vessel wall, into the media or the intima. So that acts as
suppose we are using ticagrelor. We're not mostly are using ticagrelor these days, not the clopidogrel.
Yeah.
So even that can be discontinued.
That can be discontinued as well.
What is your, madam, views about stopping dual antiplatelet in Ultra-Freedom?
Biofreedom?
Yes, Biofreedom, sorry.
Yeah. With the Biofreedom Ultra, thanks to
Dr. Kulumba. Yeah, most of the stents are?
is a polymer and carrier-free stent.
I'll catch you up. Okay, take care. Okay. So, about polymer. What do you say?
Without polymer.
No polymer.
No polymer, BA9 drugs. That is transferred by 28 days into the vessel wall, and then thanks to a long half-life of 20 days, ensure an action over 100 days. So this means that at 1 month there is a bare metal stent implant.
But there is no polymer. It is a drug directly on the
stent surface.
On the abdominal side of the stent.
Abdominal side of the stent. Okay. So what I was talking is that we are talking about the new generation stents. Stents for the first time came in 1987 when Ulrich Sigvard did the first time. From that time till 93 there were 3 trials by Patrick Saraz, Benistent trial and the stress trial. I just met Antonio Colombo, he was also part of the trial. And then later on there were drug-coated stents, and drug-coated stent had lot of advantages in preventing the restenosis, but there were some challenges. And one of the most important challenge was the polymer. So now the biosensors company has come up without non-polymer stent so that you can discontinue the dual antiplatelet in a shorter period of time. I just wanted to know, you said clopidogrel can be discontinued. What about ticagrelor?
That also
Can be. Only 1 month dual antiplatelet.
You can continue with single antiplatelet therapy.
Do you have any trial? Do you have any trial?
We have many trials, yes. Very many trials.
Which has confirmed that it can be used. So I am Dr. Gupta from EuroPCR in Paris talking about the new thing. Thank you very much. 22nd May 2025.